Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of amloo, a remarkable Moroccan delicacy that combines almonds, argan oil, and honey into what many call Moroccan liquid gold. Let me take you through the incredible journey of how this traditional spread benefits your body and overall well-being. When you first taste amloo, you're not just experiencing a delicious treat. You're providing your body with a powerful combination of nutrients that work together in remarkable ways. Let's explore exactly what happens when you consume this nutritional powerhouse. Starting with energy provision, amloo's unique composition of healthy fats and proteins creates a sustained energy release that's quite different from the quick spikes you might get from processed foods. The combination of almonds and argan oil provides a steady stream of energy that can keep you going for hours. Think of it as a slow-burning fuel for your body's engine. The immune system benefits are particularly impressive. The vitamin E from both almonds and argan oil acts as a powerful antioxidant, while the B vitamins and minerals like magnesium and potassium support various immune functions. It's like giving your immune system a complete toolkit to fight off potential threats. Cardiovascular health gets a significant boost from amloo's essential fatty acids. The omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids work together to help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and prevent arterial plaque buildup. Think of these healthy fats as natural plumbers, helping to keep your cardiovascular system clean and functioning efficiently. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties deserve special attention. The combination of argan oil and honey creates a powerful anti-inflammatory effect that can help reduce joint and muscle pain. The antioxidants protect your cells from damage, acting like a shield against harmful free radicals. Digestive health benefits are significant thanks to the fiber content from almonds. This fiber acts like a natural cleaning crew for your digestive system, helping to maintain regular bowel movements and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. The presence of healthy fats also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Weight management support is another fascinating aspect of amloo. Despite being calorie-dense, its high fiber and protein content helps create a lasting feeling of satiety. This means you're likely to feel satisfied with smaller portions, which can help in maintaining a healthy weight. The skin and hair benefits of amloo come primarily from its argan oil content. This precious oil, rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids, nourishes your body from the inside out. Regular consumption can contribute to healthier skin and stronger hair, working like an internal beauty treatment. The emotional and sexual health benefits are intriguing. The combination of nutrients in amloo can help boost mood and energy levels, potentially increasing libido naturally. Think of it as nature's way of promoting both physical and emotional well-being. For optimal benefits, moderation is key. A serving size of 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is typically sufficient to reap the health benefits without excessive calorie intake. This amount provides a good balance of nutrients while keeping portion sizes reasonable. The cultural significance of amloo adds another dimension to its benefits. In Moroccan tradition, sharing amloo is an act of hospitality and community. This social aspect contributes to emotional well-being and cultural connection. To maximize the benefits of amloo, consider these tips. Consume it in the morning to fuel your day. Pair it with whole grain bread for additional fiber. Store it properly to preserve its nutritional properties. Choose high-quality ingredients when making it at home. For those new to amloo, start with small amounts to allow your body to adjust to its rich nutrient profile. Some people might need time to adapt to its density and richness. Remember that while amloo is incredibly nutritious, it should be part of a balanced diet. Its benefits are best realized when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle and varied diet. The way you consume amloo can enhance its benefits. Traditional consumption with bread at breakfast provides sustained energy for the day ahead. Some people also enjoy it as a pre-workout snack or afternoon energy boost. As we conclude our exploration of amloo's benefits, let's appreciate how this traditional food exemplifies the wisdom of Moroccan cuisine, combining nutrition, taste, and cultural significance in one remarkable preparation. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the health benefits of amloo. Whether you're trying it for the first time or it's already a staple in your diet, you can now appreciate not just its delicious taste, but also its numerous contributions to your health and well-being. Remember, good nutrition isn't just about individual ingredients.